So y'all know what it is when I pull out this green chalkboard, dating tips and tricks, how to showcase your best personality when you're online dating. Now today, I got some doozies. This one is extremely dusty, so if you have asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, I suggest you turn away or not and get a laugh. So let's get into it. All right, we're starting off with Badal, who's 29. He actually matched with somebody and decided to send them some messages. Okay, so Badal is saying, "Good morning. I really like you." And then wait a couple of minutes. He says, "I want to hunt you very hard. I want to hunt you very hard," just straight to the point. Nothing on his bio except the picture, the fact that he's in New York and 5'11". That's all. And then he messages someone that he wants to hunt her very bad. There is a lot to fix on this, but I think honestly, just leave it as it is because, yeah, this is just very bad. Then we got Maurice, who's 41. He says, "I'm not a trick, no friends with benefits. Don't even ask me about sending you money. You will get blocked and reported. I told you, I don't pay and I don't eat. Just because you look pretty don't mean you're clean. And just because you clean don't mean you loyal. And when I say clean, I mean your blood clean. Also, if you on here with AIDS or HIV, stay off my page. I'll get you arrested. If you coming on my page a lot and at last, I do not smoke. So now you can't benefit from that either." Okay. All right, Maurice. All right. Maurice giving us a little bit of the throwbacks, always wearing hats, so we don't know what the hairline looks like, but another picture of Maurice. So Maurice gave us a lot of words, capitalized each of the first words, which I don't understand why people do that, but we gleaned nothing of his personality from this except that he is extremely angry. He just comes across as angry. Why do these people get on here coming across as angry? And we don't know anything about him except the fact that he does not smoke and that he's in Georgia, and that he's not a trick and he's not sending money. But we don't know what he is doing. We only know what he is not doing. This is very off putting. These dating profiles are very off putting. But y'all can go ahead and weigh in. What do you say about Maurice, who's 41, in search of friendship? Doesn't seem very friendly if he's in search of friendship, but you guys let me know what you think. All right, this is Larry. He's 40. He's single with 3 kids, looking to date and build a relationship. 420 friendly. He says, "I'm a dialysis patient." All right. All right, y'all. This is Larry. Like I said, he's 40 with 3 kids and a dialysis patient, and he's 5'10" and also in Florida, Georgia. These profile pictures, these bio pictures just come across just like, man, clutch my pearls, clutch my pocketbook, because I don't want no parts of this. But this dude is 40 and a dialysis patient. I do not believe that this cohort, this current crop of dudes are going to last very long. All that smoking and drinking and partying and those lifestyles, I don't believe that they're very durable. And many of them will be on here looking for a nurse and a purse. So be aware, ladies. I say this one is perfect. Let him keep the fact that he is a dialysis patient on there and a baby daddy, because this should scream run. Red flags just a waving. Y'all gonna love Dalla, who's 40. Y'all gonna love it. He says, "Don't like my effing pic if you're not gonna try to go on a date and get to know each other. Please miss me with that stuff." All right, so he's 6 foot. He's a sous chef at Self Employed, and he smokes often. Y'all better like his picture. You better like his picture so you can go on a date. This is still Dollar. This was on the same profile. This these outfit changes make no sense, but whatever. He's just showing you that he's versatile. Look at this smile. He's so happy and proud with these tight pants and these shiny shoes with no socks. He's just so proud. But why do they all come across so angry? Why are you cussing in your dating profile bio? Y'all go ahead and weigh in on this one. People keep saying that this is the sassy man era, and I'm feeling it too. So we got another one from Georgia. Georgia just having all the people that are out here searching for friendship. This is Amari, who's 30. He says, out the gate, I'm antisocial because I really don't like fake people, money grabbers, scammers, escorts, massage therapists, liars. What do you got about against massage therapists? They're out here helping people. Anybody asking me to take them out on a date and you ain't never did nothing for me. And he's on the dating site. But you think it's that easy. Well, it's not. I don't trust no woman that's talking to 20 men on the phone talking about you just dated, knowing you sleeping with 10 out of the 20. I really hate cheaters the most. No OF people. I don't even know. I don't even know if you runt. I don't know if you bottomless. I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm sure that it's not that great. He's 5'7". Like I said, he's in Georgia, and this is um Amari, who's 30. Another picture of Amari, who's 30. Is he throwing up some gay? Yeah. So they get on here just to show as much anger as possible, and you're supposed to want to be friends with these people. They and all the capitals, the capitalized words that shouldn't be capitalized, it just irks them. And still not showing us anything about them, about their personality outside of being angry and the fact that they need some self help books and some journals. So this is Jamal. I love it when they get into a suit. They just have a different aura about them. You know, he knows. All right, so he's looking for a short term relationship. Okay. Some of y'all say you want honesty, but then you say, I'm too honest. Let's be adults and do adult things. Let's just get straight to the chase. Like I said, when they wear these little suits, they just be knowing I'm cool. Niceties. I'm a gentleman in the streets, but make you want to hit record behind closed doors. Just just mannish. Just fast tail behavior. That's the reason why I believe that these suits just do a little something to them. Just make them, like I said, we in the sassy boy era. Just just doing too much. Team do too much sex throughout the profile. But like he said, people say they want honesty. He's being honest with you. Let me know what you think about this one. And I'm gonna end with this one. This is Ace 33. He says, I'm convinced that the dating scene is watered down with crap, and all women really want is some attention, money, and D. But he out here showing off his little muscles. But that's all women want. It's some attention. He out here trying to grab attention. Trying to grab attention. Let me not stay too close to them smoldering eyes before I get burnt. Look at them with his man boobs just hanging out there just for all the women to see. This is Ace 33. Look at, oh my gosh, I can't stand too close to that either. He's just out here looking for all the attention, all the women's to swipe. Let me get out of this one. So it looks like he wants to just give out attention indeed, and that's probably all he has outside of audacity. But you guys go ahead and weigh in. Like I said at the very beginning, this whole video is just full of dustiness. It's just it just doesn't smell right to me. But you guys go ahead and weigh in. Is there anything redeemable in this? Anything? I have nothing. I feel so bad for the people that are still trying. All right. Like, comment, share.